Welcome back to episode 3 of Team Red Rebels. Huge shout out to everybody who has been walking with us and enjoying this journey just as much as we have. We are currently sitting at seed 3 in the league. We are now 6-2. Our first game we got blew out by the number 1 seed in the league, but we haven't lost a game since week 2. And we are shy of a week from the playoffs. Look at that shot. But I want to take this time to really applaud and give a big thanks to Coach Nick and Coach Ari, the parents of the Team Red Rebels, and big shout out to our sponsor, Hard Hands. Being able to coach these young guys is so amazing. It's so fulfilling, and I'm glad that we have a great support system because, being a coach, there's a lot of different roadblocks that we're faced with, like communicating with the parents and getting them to practice and organizing practice, and people got work, right? But seeing these players from day one do a complete 360 from their self-esteem, their confidence, their energy, and of course their basketball skills. We have fun. Look at me. Look at me out there. I'm the biggest kid out there, And that's what it's all about, having fun and teaching values on top of that. So to anybody who's watching this who is thinking about becoming a coach or a trainer or a teacher or instructor, of course, it's not for the faint of heart. You gotta have heart, you gotta have hope, and you gotta be able to be steadfast in the growth, right? But look how, y'all, this game was overtime right here. This was our first overtime game, and we won. Down to the wire. What a game. Oh my goodness, man. So let's run down all the players, okay? That's Matt. Number 11, the smallest but the biggest out there. Number 1 right here, that's Jack Attack, that's Jackson. Of course, we got Connor Banks. Number 12, who's on defense, just ran back, that's Charles. We got Justice, we got Roy. Our big man, we got Levin. And we have another player named Charlie. So all of us together, we are just a whole lot of kids having a great time. And it just so happened that we playing basketball. We could be coloring, playing chess, checkers, hopscotch, it don't matter.
Let's